All right, we got this amazing drone right here. Has this amazing case. I'm going to show you how to get this thing ready to go, started, and ready to go. So first off, here's the drone right here, all compact. Before I open it up, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one of these batteries right here. There's two of them. Here's the other one. I'm just going to set that off to the side. So you're going to take this battery, push it right in there. It's good to go. Then from there, I'm going to open this up like so. And, oh, you know what? Let me open this one up first. And we're ready to go right here. Before I turn that on, I'm going to get this ready over here. Take the remote out, open that up, pull out my phone. As I pull out my phone, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to turn this on. Let me make sure I set this in a good spot. Press the on button right there. Long press it so it's on right there. From here, I'm going to press the power button right here. It beeps and it has calibrated to the drone because it stayed solid and made the beep. Now, what I'm going to do before I even connect this is I'm going to calibrate it further, do that. That's flashing. Now it's solid, which means it's calibrated. From here, I'm going to come into my Wi-Fi and I'm going to connect to the drone. And we are connected. Now I'm going to come in here to the app right here. And I'm going to put this on the remote right here. Click, let's just do go to fly. Click right here. And the camera's going. There's my hand right there. So from here, I'm actually going to calibrate it, or to turn it on, I'm going to push this in like that and that in like that. And it's idling right now. From here, I'm just going to press this button right here once, and that's going to orbit, or that's going to take off. So I'm going to press it. There we go. And now it will just hover there. It won't move. I'm not pressing anything, so it's just literally hovering in one spot. I'm not doing anything. Now to go up, I'm just going to press this up, and you can see that's going up. And if you look on here, we're getting a good view. And I'll actually flash to it in the feel free to just keep recording because I'll flash to it. And let's go ahead and we're going to do some of the maneuvers that it has. I just press a button one time and now it's just doing that. And the video's showing that, so I'll press it again to stop it. And I'll do the other one. Long press it again. Now it's going to start that again. Crazy maneuvers. Long press it again to stop. From here, we can go high, higher. I can go right, go left. I can come back down. Once I'm ready to land though, all I have to do to land, if you want to look back at the remote, press this again, one time. And now it's just going to come down, it's going to land. It's going to find a spot. It comes down pretty quickly and then it slows down once it gets low enough. And it will look for a spot and it will land. And there it is. So as you can see, amazing. There's the camera guy right there. Highly recommend.